Hey guys, this is my new bike check. It's Ryan, and I'm all alone today, so yeah. Let's start. Banff bar ends, they're metal, they're awesome. Tighten with a Allen key and stuff. For grips, sorry my hands are dirty, I just finished putting this together. I got ODI long necks, they're awesome, I love them. Recommend them. Norco rhythm bars, really short because I love them. Same over here. Fit stem, getting a new one. Harrow X3 forks, they're awesome. The front wheel, I got a Fit FAF off of a friend. It's bald pretty much, so I'm gonna get a new one. Jet Set racing wheel, salt hub, racing hub. FBM Heathen 2010 frame. McNeil pivotal seat. McNeil seat post. McNeil clamp. Cassette pedals. Mission component cranks. Random half link. I think it's a Shadow. Not sure. Same over on this side. Awesome. Eastern Medusa sprocket. Almost worn out. Gotta get a new one. Harrow bottom bracket. Sealed. Back wheel. Odyssey P light. 2.25. Same as the front. 2.25. But that one's a lot bigger than this. I got a new back wheel, if you didn't notice already. The paint looks like crap. I get it. I traded my wheel for it for a friend. This is actually same rim as mine, Odyssey Hazard Light. All I gotta do is get it unlaced, raw it, and then lace it back up, which isn't really a big deal. To my world favorite hub, Demolition Rolls hub. Because I love Demolition Rolls hub and the way it sounds. All I gotta do is figure out what's making the really weird clicking noise when you can hear it. I'm not sure if you can hear it. Yeah, well, it's going like and it's really weird and annoying and stuff. So yeah, that is my bike check. All custom. Soon gonna be more custom. I'm gonna get new Animal Hamilton pedals in red, because a friend broke my black ones. Getting a new Harrow Zebra stem in red probably. And then I'm getting a new, not sure what type of sprocket yet, but it's probably gonna be something awesome. And then eventually, when I get some jobs for the summer or something, E-clot, tripping straight, E-clot, tripping arrow. And I'm gonna get probably Fit FAFs, most likely, but I might think about getting Demolition momentum pads. Alright, that's my bike check. See you later, guys.